Introducing VINCI, the first smart headphones that understand you. It goes way beyond just playing music. VINCI is a smart on-the-go device controlled by your voice and powered by AI technology.
Hey VINCI, play Psych Rock.
Playing Tear Wagon by Hello Ocho.
With VINCI, all you have to do is ask. It is powered by far-field voice recognition software.
Hey VINCI, what's the weather looking like tonight?
Clear skies and 85 in Atlanta.
VINCI syncs across your different platforms so that it can update you on your schedule and notifications and anticipate your needs.
Also, your usual connecting bus is running a little behind. Would you like me to find an alternative route?
It's okay, I'll just take an Uber.
Of course, calling an Uber to King Memorial Station, estimated arrival time 12 minutes.
With VINCI, your headphones are now your personal assistant, your search engine, your phone, and so much more.
Call from Brian Campbell.
Thanks, VINCI. Go ahead, put him through. Hey, Brian. Did you decide on flowers for the reception? Okay, yeah. That shouldn't be a problem. Thanks. Bye. Hey, VINCI? What's a protea?
A protea is a genus of South African flowering plants, also called sugar bushes.
Okay, VINCI. Sounds like I need to visit a specialized flower shop. Are there any nearby?
Patricia's Imported Perennials is 3.1 miles away.
Awesome. Can you direct me there?
Head east on Pine Street toward 99 Centennial Avenue.
VINCI's location-based services means that you're receiving relevant local recommendations without lifting a fingertip. VINCI is the perfect companion. It learns from your heart rate, activity, and preferences to better understand and suggest the perfect song for the moment.
Hey VINCI, what's my average running speed and heart rate?
Your average running speed is 5.2 miles per hour. Heart rate is currently 110 beats per minute.
Okay, VINCI.
VINCI's local storage and 3G coverage means you don't have to carry your phone. It's just you and VINCI on the go.
How about I play your workout playlist from Spotify?
Perfect.
VINCI's running mode helps keep you safe by transmitting external noise over your music.
Please activate running mode.
Ain't no use in sitting wonder why, baby.
Not only does VINCI sound great, its 3D sound recording technology captures and reimmerses you in your favorite audio activities.
Ain't no use in sitting wonder why, baby. I'm on the other side of the road.
The more you use it, the more it learns from you. VINCI makes intelligent recommendations based on your activities, listening habits, location, and preferences.
Hey VINCI, is Oyaki still delivering?
Yes, for the next 45 minutes.
Perfect. Place my usual order.
Done. There is a new episode of This American Life. Would you like to listen?
You know what, VINCI? It sounds perfect.
With wireless charging and long-lasting battery, you can be sure VINCI will be there from the second you get up till the moment you go to sleep.
Hey VINCI, good night.
Good night.
This is really cool. That's very cool. This is really awesome. It sounds very good. Very cool. I love the Spotify in it. That's awesome. It's really beautifully done. Congratulations.
This sounds awesome. Wow, I'm very impressed. It's not just pretty, it sounds really good. This is a really nice screen and it's on a headphone set. Like, that's so cool. This is a really good time for a product like this. It's beautiful. It feels really well made too. Yes! Definitely yes! Oh my god! I'm a big audiophile person. Those are awesome headphones. Sorry, you feel it though. Like, oh my god. Like, I had to close my eyes on it, just feel like it was there. That's what I like to hear. And when are these coming out?
Okay.
When are they coming out? Like, man, there's good drivers inside of them. True audiophiles will love that. Love this product.
Let's take your selfie. I like the song. It's really great. Everything is smooth. I mean, it's good because it has like this isolation, so
Exactly.
the sound is really, really good.
It's very comfortable on the head. It has good bass too, which I like.
These are cool. I like it. It's super solid. I like it a lot. It's very impressive. Yeah, these are cool. I love that they're wireless too.
Yeah, great sound.
I like it a lot. It's very intuitive, you know what I mean? When you know you want to do a certain thing, it's not like, yeah, it's just very intuitive, makes sense. And the touchscreen's really responsive. I like it a lot. Oh, the sound quality is great. I mean, you expect good sound quality. This definitely delivers, no doubt. Strong bass. Very cool.
And it's really awesome that you could use it without actually looking at where the button is and just feel it by touching it.
Yeah, it works exactly the way you would think it would. It sounds really good.
It sounds so good. You gotta try this. It was really great. It sounds so good.
Wait, you wore
And I buy a lot of really expensive headphones. I spend like a lot of money on $200, $300 pair of headphones. These are like the best audio quality. They're insane. They're so good.
Yeah.
I thought these would be like $499 or something like that. I mean, holy crap, that's really good. Okay, they sound like really, really ridiculously expensive. like I've had headphones, Bose headphones, and these sound amazing. So good. Oh, I love these. Holy crap, so good.
I like it. It seems like it's maybe a little medium to the bass. And mids are nice. That's what's the good surprise. Is there's good mids, a lot of space, a lot of headroom in there.
I like it a lot. That's awesome.
It's my favorite. Great, it's awesome. Great bass, really fun. You feel cool wearing it.
They're pretty awesome. I didn't think it was going to be comfortable because of the rectangle, but it's actually pretty comfortable.
I would get one of these. I run too, so I would use these for running, especially without a phone.
Cool.
The quality is amazing and that's really comfy.
That's good sound though. That's the most important thing.
Wow, sound signature is pretty good. Did it just pause? When
You took it off. That's why. When you took it off.
Okay.
You can do more things about it.
I'm impressed.
The sound is dope. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's crisp, clear. I hear the bass. I hear the separation from the top and the bottom and the middle. I'm in the music business, so this is awesome. Wow. The sound is so awesome. Because we get that studio sound. This gives it. This is great. This is a great headphones.
It feels very comfortable. It's very lightweight.
It seems pretty easy to use, so I think that's pretty dope.
The sound is just really, really good.
You can feel all the volume. It makes you want to move.
And I can listen to my music, I can stream my music without having to worry about, connection with my cell phone. I'm loving that, because every time you want to do a Bluetooth to your cell phone, there's always a little disconnect that happens. I don't have to worry about that with these. I'm loving it. Oh my God, yes. I back this company.